Today in this video, I will share some overnight face masks for you. These can be worn in the comfort of bedtime, and washed the next day. Cucumber face mask. Ingredients required are cucumber. Bring tea 3 tablespoons. What you need to do: take cross a potato, peel its skin, and grate it. Take half a cucumber, peel its skin, and grate it. Extract both the juices into one separate bowl. Take some green chilies, boil this in water, and extract. Add the potato and cucumber juice. Mix all ingredients well together to get a fine paste. Apply the mask on your face and neck. After washing them, leave it to stay overnight. Wash the mixture on the next day with cold water. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.